How to generate and mint your own NFT collection. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today I will be showing you how you can generate and mint your own NFT collection. So let's get into it. Now, starting off, we are going to go on to nft-generator.art, and there are multiple different NFT generators out there. They're super easy to use. You have other NFT generators like ambition.io or nft-generator-art.com, and you can just get started and you can click on start creation over here and you can start building your NFT collection. So the first thing you're going to do is on your left, you have multiple different layers that you can add. So we're going to begin by adding our layers. So going on ahead, you can choose the advanced version or the simple version. Now I'm just going to start with the simple version. And now what you're going to do is first off, you're going to go on ahead and add images or add your basic features. So we're going to be using Canva to receive or get our images. So you're going to click on custom size, add 12 by 12 inches, click on create new design over here. And first off, we have our first layer, which is backgrounds. So I'm just going to go on ahead and search for multiple different backgrounds. And I'm just going to go ahead and click on the element section, search for stars over here, and I'm just going to take this background over here, expand this, and I'm going to click on share. I'm going to click on download and download this. And now after that, I'm going to be using the second image, which could be sky, and then I can go into the photos, and then I can use a second image like this one, and you can go on ahead and choose whatever images you want for your background. This is totally up to you. This is totally customizable. I'm just showing you guys the basic way that you're going to be doing it, and this is just the basic starting point. You're going to customize this to your own liking, however you want it to be. So once we have our images, you're just going to drag and drop them, or you can just upload them. And once you do that, you're going to begin by adding your new layer, which could be a face. And now you're going to add the faces over here. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into my Canva canvas and I'm going to search for face. And I'm going to click on the graphic section over here. And let's say I want to do emoji faces. So I'm just going to add one over here and I'm going to click on download. And I'm going to download this as a PNG. And now I'm going to go on ahead and delete this one. And then I'm going to add the second one over here. And I'm going to click on download over here. And just like that, you can keep on adding multiple different faces. You can choose any other format of faces as well. You can go on ahead and choose something other than emoji ones. Usually within a collection, you want a cohesive look. So that's why you can go on ahead and use a similar kind of face, but it's not necessary. So you can go on ahead and choose anything that you like, but I'm just going to add a couple of different faces. And once you have your faces, you can go ahead and upload those into the face section. Once you do that, you can go on ahead and add the next layer, which could be body. And now we're going to add our next layer. Now what I'm going to do is within the element section, going back to the same canvas, I'm going to search for pilot. And now I'm just going to use this little illustration over here. I'm going to expand it, and the reason that I'm keeping the face is to just get like a better idea. I'm going to click on send to back, and I'm going to go ahead and now download this. In this way, you can add multiple different bodies. So now we're searching for artist over here, and we're just going to use one of the artist illustrations. We're going to use this for the artist one. And we're just going to click on share, click on download, and download this as a PNG. And now what you're going to do is you're just going to upload this into this layer. And just like that, you can click on preview over here to just get a better preview of how your collection is going to turn out. Or once you have all of the items ready, you can go ahead and add your project name on the right side of your screen over here. You can add your project description, and you can add how many items you want to create. Now, this depends on how many things you have uploaded, how many items in the layers are present. So we have 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2, and that would be the maximum number of NFTs that could possibly be generated. So the maximum number of combinations that there are going to be the maximum number of NFTs that could be created. So once you have that collection size, you can go on ahead and enter your dimensions as well. So you can add the dimensions, and then you have your export and the layer names as well. So you can click on generate collection over here. Now you can see it can't generate 52 NFTs, so we're going to add 5. And now you can click on generate collection. And now you're just going to enter your email address to receive your entire collection. So that is how simple and easy it is to generate your collection on NFT generators. Now, once you have generated your collection, you can go on to OpenSea.io and you can go ahead and choose any NFT marketplace of your choice. You're going to click on create over here. You're going to click on this and you're going to begin uploading the collection. Obviously, whatever collection you have, you're going to upload that. So let's say I just want to upload this. I'm just showing you guys this as a sample. Now we're just going to upload the first image of our collection. You can add the item name. You can add the description and the collection. So over here, you can select the collection name, and you can go ahead and choose a untitled collection and then later on customize your collection information, or this is going to be Jane's collection. And then you can add specific levels or stats for this content as well as unlockable content. So this could only be like, you can make certain exclusive items in your collection, which could only be viewed once they are unlocked. So once they are unlocked, which could be the unlocking key could only be accessed once the other person has purchased the NFT. So this is another way to add another layer of customization within your NFTs. Now, once you have done that, you're going to add the supply and then the blockchain, and then you're going to click on create over here. Click on verify that you're not a robot, and then you're just going to fill out the captcha over here, and just like that your NFT will be created. Now this is not listed yet, this is just created. Once you have listed your NFT, and I would recommend list all of your NFTs from the collection together, so upload all of them, and once you have uploaded them, you can begin clicking on sell and add the price. So we're going to add the price. Once you have added the price, you can add the duration and then click on complete listing over here. You're going to wait for your wallet approval. So I have MetaMask over here. You can use any crypto wallet of your choice. And just like that, our NFT is up for sale. So you're going to make sure that you upload all of your items from your collection before listing them, because this will enable you to have the entire collection uploaded at a similar time. And that was it for today. So that is how simple and easy it is to generate collections and mint them on your OpenSea platform. And all of the minting fees would be incurred by the person that purchases your NFT. So your NFT is minted, present on the blockchain, and you don't even have to pay any fees, and you can use any of the free generators or a simple small service fee for NFT generating platforms. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you are now able to get started with your own NFT collection as well. Now this is one way to just create a simple NFT collection where you don't have, like, you just generate the collection. I also have a video on how to create your own customized NFT collection with Canva, so make sure to check those videos out as well. And I will catch you guys in the next video.